हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं आज आप लोगों के साथ में एक सॉफ्ट लुक करने वाली हूँ और उस सॉफ्ट लुक को एक सल्टर लुक में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं बाय यूजिंग द मिनिमम प्रोडक्ट्स दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न टुडे। सो लेट्स बिगिन गाइस।
For prepping my skin, I am going to start with embroilies. After this, I'll be applying Indulge Rose Gold Oil. Ladies, take extra care of your skin this winter and hydrate it well before doing makeup. So starting with my eyebrows, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade for today's look. For natural looking eyebrows, keep less product in starting off your brows. Starting with my eye makeup, the first transition color that I am using is a light pink color from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. The transition shade that I have used is Doll Face. The next shade will be slightly dark pink. I have used Risque from the same palette. And coming to my lid color, it is from Tarteist Pro palette. It is slightly dark pink. Shade name is Maud. I'm going to use Maybelline gel liner to apply liner and kajal. I'm going to smudge my liner, but you can keep it as it is. Just apply a little bit of kajal and you'll be done. So you guys saw how easy it was to create a non-dramatic simple eyes. If you want a sultry look, smudge your eyeliner with a small brush. I'm moving back to my last pink shade from Tarteist Pro palette to blend my eyeliner well. Just a little tip for smooth blending. Work on the edges of the two shades used. Like I am blending on the boundary really well. If you're having trouble blending, go ahead and use the last shade that you have used and work on the boundaries. And of course, use smaller brushes to blend. Using Maybelline gel liner to apply my kajal. I'm going to smudge my kajal using a smaller brush. I'm going to use eye pencil from Color Bar in shade Blue Topaz. Again smudging this eye pencil. I melt the concealer between my fingers to make it thin. I'm going to conceal my face using M.A.C concealer in shade NW40. For today's look, I'm going to use Makeup Forever Stick Foundation. This is very dewy foundation and my shade is Y405. Using patting motion, I'm going to blend my foundation in my skin. For highlighting, I'm going to use LA Girl concealers and in shade yellow and light yellow. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend all my highlighter into my skin. This particular blender is from CS Essential. This blender has given me remarkable results, so you should definitely try it. For powdering my face, I'm going to use LA Girl loose powders in shade yellow. To contour my face, I'm going to use Hoola from Benefit Cosmetics. This particular blush is from M.A.C, shade Pinch Me. I'm using M.A.C Soft and Gentle to highlight my face. This lip pencil is from Chambor, shade PK12. This lip shade is also from Chambor. I'm using NYX Duochromatic lip gloss. The formula is great, not too sticky, and it stays for a long time. And here's the final look.